The Common Chord standard is describe the effect of dilations, translations, rotations, and reflections on two-dimensional figures using coordinates. A reflection can be defined as a type of rigid transformation in which the image is flipped across a line of reflection to create the image. So the problem is reflect this rectangle over the y-axis. So to start this, you're going to want to, you're going to start with this point, and this point we'll label it A, and this point we'll label B, and this point we'll label C, and this point we'll label D. This point is at 1, 7, so we'll just mark that right there. And this point is at 6, 7. This point is at 1, 3. And this point is at 6, 3. So I know that when you have to reflect over the y-axis, you're going to be changing the sign of the value of y. So I know that this is going to stay as 1, but it's going to change the y to 1, negative 3. So it's going to be 1, negative 3. And to label the next one, people usually like to put C with like a 1 on top. So we're going to do the same thing for D. We know that x is going to stay the same, but y is going to become a negative. So it's going to be 6, negative 3. So it's going to be D1. And then we're going to do the same thing for A, and A is going to be 1, 7, and then we know that 1 stays the same, but negative 7 changes. And we're going to change it to A1. And then we're going to do the same thing for B, and then we're going to know that 6, and then negative 7. So 6 is B1. We're going to connect the dots. And that's how we reflect an object like a rectangle over the y-axis. The next thing we're going to do is if we were to describe this translation, we would know that this translation is described as moving 5 units to the left and 4 units down because we see that A is moved 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units to the right, and then it's moved down. So we can just draw an arrow like that, that's moved that, and then it is moved down 4 units, so we go from 9 to 5.